Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mode Mechanic 757. You know, I get down, I get straight to the point. I started doing YouTube about 4 or 5 years ago, and I have not been in my office in quite some time because I'm so busy making videos out in the field with TikTok and YouTube, and I'm just so busy with sponsors and all this other stuff that I got going on, and I had to come back to my humble roots. And my first couple videos was my best videos that had the most views for. The point of this story, because I get straight to the point, I'm not going to talk about my dog or my cat or anything. I'm going to get straight to the point, and that's what I do. I do one-on-one consultations by which you can go to mobilemechanic757.com, mobilemechanic757.com. If you are wanting to be a mobile mechanic and you're afraid, I have 2 tiers for you. I will sit for 2 hours and articulate with you. You just go to my website and make a one-on-one consultation and book an appointment with me. And I will talk to you. If you're just starting off, I'm going to look at my notes. I will talk about the business plans, the unique name, sole proprietor versus LLC versus corporation, the business license. You got to have a separate business phone number. Don't use your personal number. Your personal number is for personal stuff. Business is business. These are customers, they're not your friends. Separate them. And it's good for tax write-off too. I will talk about the paperwork, by which I have the non-essential documents that you must have a mobile mechanic. You can go to mobilemechanic757.com, mobilemechanic757.com, and click on buy documents. I also have a mobile mechanic store if you're just now starting off, or you're DIY. You can go to mobilemechanic757.com, mobilemechanic757.com. You can go to the tools that I've been using. It's got me through 90% of the jobs. You can't bring everything with you. Sometimes you got to go to Advanced AutoZone and rent out the tools, but most of the tools that I've used, that always gets me by, from beginner to all the way to advanced. You can go to the my mobile mechanic store. I talk about the tools that you start off with. I talk about the medium tools, level tools, and the advanced tools. And it's also one-on-one consultation. I have a tier just for people who already have the business, just wants to enhance it. And I will answer questions. I get very detailed in those who try to start their business and answer all the questions and the fears. I still have fears today, to this day, when I go out and do a job. I don't want to fail. I don't want to make a mistake. I don't want the customer to be upset. You know, all this stuff is going through my head. So I have to be IT, I have to be customer service. Sometimes I'm a therapist. Well, most of the time I'm a therapist because people tell me their business and their personal life, which I want to hear because I want to know how you're feeling. I love you guys. I love my customers. And I do everything that I can to help you guys. So again, you can go to mobilemechanic757.com and you can click on book appointment and scroll down to the tiers, the beginner or the advanced one-on-one consultation. And I got you. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and follow. Thank you.